Bye. Oh, my headset's about to die. Shoot. Wait a minute. Sorry that I have my vision like this. I just like how it looks. Wait a minute. Bro, I think someone's in this code. I hear like snow. I hear like snow. I heard like someone walking on snow. There's no one in the lobby though. There's no way someone could be. There's no way. Wait. Oh, what the hell? Oh God, wait. I'm gonna go to forest. Wait, no, I'll go to canyons. Wait, let me mute the music.
Personally, not really.
What the?
Okay, that's a little one. You got a new job, you got a chance at a clean slate with Matt. Why are you gonna screw it up by telling him? You just got hard.
Bro, what the hell? Bro, someone is in this lobby. I heard someone walk in. I'm not joking. I heard someone walk. Like, literally, I heard someone walking in this. I am not joking, guys. Like, actually. I was just playing until I started hearing weird sounds. It started in. Someone's in. Oh my god. So, and I am in a ghost code, but like. I swear to God, I hear someone like walking in this game. Bro, you know what? Here. Yeah, okay. Alright, guys, I'm here with my friends, and
yeah.
I told him what happened. So, yesterday, something weird happened. I was just playing Girl Tag in the code more666, and it was a ghost code, and then I was just messing around, and then I started hearing, like, noises, but, like, when I checked the leaderboard, no one was there. Like, literally, zero.
Yeah, but this would be good if we had 3 players to see if it was any of us.
Yeah, so let's join.
3.
Alright, okay. Join, come on, join. Hey guys, I'm editing the video right now, and I'm hearing sounds, like, that weren't there when I was, like, playing the game. I'll, like, replay the sound right now. Let's check the Let's check the leaderboard real quick.
Wait,
Alright.
did you like stop moving when you heard it?
Yeah, like I stopped moving. Like I heard this.
What was the noise sound like?
Like it was like this. Like it was like that. Like I heard like some.
Walking.
Yeah, it was just like walking.
I found a ghost last year named Echo.
Yeah, I yesterday was just weird. Like I was just like I kept on going around the place, and I went to mountain. I was in here, like I was like planning on like going to mountain, so I was like, okay, I'll go up here. So I was just heading to mountains.
Don't leave me, don't leave
No,
me.
I'm not
don't
leaving
leave
you.
Me.
I'm just giving you an example. So I was just walking up here.
I mean, like, don't. I mean, like, wait for me because
Yeah,
you're
don't worry.
walking to mountains.
So like I was here, and then I started hearing that sound. Like I started hearing this, and I was like, this. What's that?
Yeah, but if you actually heard it, you'll also hear ice too.
Yeah. Well, like no, I was heading, like I was going to mountains, like I was up here, and then I heard that sound, and I was like, what the heck? Then here, let's go to mountains.
And then you started recording it on YouTube.
Yeah, I started recording. Well, like I started recording. So, okay,
Wait,
so.
dude, the guy hadn't even joined yet.
What? Oh wait,
The guy
here, I
hadn't
think he'll
even
join. I think he'll join. Wait, don't worry.
Hang on, should we? I'm gonna call him to say where is he.
Yeah, just call him, and I'll tell you if I hear anything.
All right, I'll hear him too. Hey, Levon.
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
He just left the game.
Wait, he left the game?
Yeah. So I think he might have did the band code instead.
No, what? Wait, let's go to mountains. I did. Come on, let's go to mountains. So, here, follow me.
So, Levon,
Yeah?
when I turned to this side, I saw something white, like a white ball.
So, wait, here, I'll show you another place where I heard that sound. Here, follow me.
Hey,
here.
first can we go in here? It looks cool.
Yeah. I've already been in here.
But not me. So he literally went back to the lobby. He went back to his home.
When your voice went deep, it frightened me.
Don't worry. Sorry, man. Here, wait.
It's okay.
Here, so follow me.
Okay. Dashing through the snow when I want more soap, it's late.
So, here, I was up.
Reach it.
I was up there. Like I was just chilling, and then I started hearing the sound again, and I was like, wait, what the hell is that?
Do you hear that blowing noise?
I hear it,
Going
yeah.
that way.
Oh wait, that might be the fan, actually. Here, wait, follow me.
Let's go to the fountain. And dude, you should see what that orange square kind of looks like.
The orange square.
on the fan.
Yeah. Yeah, wait, here, let's go to fan.
Wait,
Come on.
hang on. I'm trying to get to the fan. Oh no, I made a mistake.
Don't worry, it's gonna be okay. Hear it.
I made a mistake. The rec room, it doesn't even look like the rec room flag. I made a mistake, it doesn't look like the rec room flag.
All right. Come on.
Superheroes! Oh my god, I thought! Look where I ended up. I'm with the trees.
Yeah.
Bro?
All right. I'm coming. Wait, come to the igloo.
Okay. I saw this moderate and I need news dollars. Moderate and I need news like a P mod.
You okay, Mom?
P on people.
Yeah, wait. So, there. Here, wait, I'm gonna show you some.
Dude, I just found out something cool. You still
What?
grab a snowball, but when you hold on to it, it goes into a mini snowball.
Wait, oh my god, that's so cool. Wait, come on, wait. Here, right, let's go. Wait, can I show you the next spot where I heard some noise?
Yeah, sure.
So like, so I decided to leave mountains. Then, so I went to so I left mountains and I decided to go to canyons or desert map. So
Yeah.
I went here.
Wait, stop.
What?
I just heard music right behind me.
Alright, here. Wait, come on, bro. Wait, bro.
Get around
Wait.
here.
Okay, okay. I hear it too. Oh, I know. Oh, that's just the speaker.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's just the speaker. Alright, follow me.
Did you just hear that?
Yeah, that was just the speaker for me. Here, come on.
No, I heard something else.
Wait.
It was my fart.
Okay. Alright, here. Mute the music here because, like, we'll need to mute the music so, like, when we can hear the sound. So, I was here.
Why did you put it on mute and then the music happened?
No, I didn't put. No, it was the fan that I heard. Wait, no. Here, okay, listen. So I was here, and then I heard the noise. Wait, stop.
What was the noise like?
It was like this.
But how could it possibly hear? Because this is the only area.
Well, like, there's a bit of snow here. Wait, stop. I thought I heard the noise. Wait. Oh my god, my headset's about to die. Here, wait, might have to go back tomorrow. Here, my headset, here, man, my headset's about... Bro?
Yeah.
Oh my god, you literally scared everybody. I thought you, left. So, here, my headset's about to die, so, so, do you want to do this tomorrow? Because my headset's literally, like, is about to die. Alright.
Yeah, sure.
So,
I'm not busy.
man.
See ya.
Bye.